He's got underneath that and he's slapped that into the crowd, and that's 6 runs. That's a beauty. It's almost in the KFC bucket as well. Just to cap it off as well.
What timing. Presence of mind. Look at that, almost swung off his feet. 6 over, deep point.
200 up. 1 to level, 2 to win. To be the champions, Lal Karander.
Flew back from England to Raza, and he's flying now. 18 off 6. 2 needed. On the leg side. And that is it. Sensational stuff. Magnificent. Raza, you beauty. Look at that celebration. He is going to be absolutely engulfed. It's the 3rd title for Lahore in 4 years. What a game this has been. Magnificent stuff. What a finish. What a final. Outstanding.
Extraordinary.